In this video, I will show you how to set up shipping rates and settings in your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify account, go to Apps and search for Pre-orders. From the search results, select the app called as Pre-orders and add it to your account. This app allows customers to place orders for out-of-stock or upcoming products, helping you secure revenue with future delivery. Once the app is installed, go to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Under General Shipping Rates, click Manage to access your shipping settings. Here, you can create shipping zones by selecting the regions you ship to and giving each zone a clear name. For example, if you deliver to multiple countries, choose the relevant ones and name the zone, like Asia Shipping Zone. Next, add your shipping rates. You can set flat rates, offer free shipping, or use carrier calculated rates based on weight and location. For instance, I'm adding a flat rate here, but you can adjust these based on your needs. Next, let's add your shipping rates. Start by clicking on Add Rate and choosing the appropriate option for your business. You can set flat rates, which charge customers a fixed shipping fee regardless of order size or weight. This is useful if your products have similar dimensions and shipping costs. Alternatively, you can offer free shipping as an incentive, especially for large orders or promotional events. If you want more accurate pricing, use carrier calculated rates, which automatically determine shipping costs based on the package's weight, dimensions, and destination. For instance, I'm adding a flat rate here for simplicity, but remember, you can customize these rates later depending on your customers' locations or product types. If your store sells items with varying sizes and weights, like furniture or electronics, it's essential to create a custom shipping profile. This allows you to apply different rates for specific product categories, ensuring that heavier or bulkier items cover the additional shipping expenses. To do this, go to Shipping Profiles, click Create New Profile, and assign products to this profile. Then, set rates according to factors like weight ranges or distance traveled. Now, let's move on to local delivery. Select your store location and define your delivery zones by entering the postal codes you serve. Make sure to keep the delivery area reasonable to avoid logistical challenges. After that, set a delivery fee that reflects your transportation costs, whether it's a flat fee, a tiered fee based on distance, or a free delivery option for orders over a certain amount. Don't forget to clearly communicate these charges to your customers during checkout to avoid confusion. For local pickup, simply enable the local pickup option and add straightforward instructions to guide your customers. For instance, you can specify the pickup location, available pickup times, and any identification requirements. This is especially convenient for customers who prefer to save on shipping costs or need their items sooner. Lastly, let's fine-tune the package settings. Go to Package Settings and input the dimensions and weight of your default packaging materials. This ensures that shipping costs are calculated accurately during checkout. If you use multiple package sizes, add each one here to give Shopify the necessary information for precise rate calculations. When it's time to fulfill an order, go to the Orders tab, select the order, and click Create Shipping Label. You can purchase these labels directly from Shopify or integrate a third-party carrier if you have special shipping agreements or need international shipping options. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.